Minister Ghana Yesana Henia Nansenya Obetwe Mukoye Ken Ofori-Atta. He's been in the news for a whole lot of reasons. Today he's in the news again, and I'm wondering what his fate will be like, because in some way about Ken Ofori-Atta no, it's not pleasant. And yeah, dear, a shame crying and say a year nika and Ken Ofori-Atta. Sabi dia say Yebeka say abwebia kowo asem no aye very crucial. Chris, and then na so Ken Ofori-Atta, we know he's not in Ghana, but why is he trending? Then atono.
Yes, yeah, reports, and I say a share 4 updates about the fact that he has been detained by a U.S. immigration, by a U.S. immigration court in the United States of America over any visa issues any day. Na a hon sembia my pew, Obian shared dante hon assembly say a DNA cost what is happening to the man. Empo yedeno ever PM. Yɛnba PM Ghana ha and I say a day in the air coso. It is a say no, as we speak now, the detention status no, he's still detained.
Okay.
And from that time, somewhere early this year, the update in the by Chirimwa, and I say I think that December Muhoban on this update in the by Chirimwa, he has been detained. As we speak now, the lawyers file for say Yebe Bailino. But omo rejected, so the bail ananka or expect to send from a detention center. I don't know detention center omo bail anyway. It has been rejected, and you know, CCAD as we speak now, he's still in detention. Okay.
The application or the call, you know, for bail. No, what was the reason for the bail condition? And Adentina or more refusing the bail application.
Yes, well, before that, the former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta remains in detention in the United States after a bail application in his immigration case was unsuccessful, according to source familiar with the proceedings. And the bail application or the call, you know, it has been it is not something or more
okay
or more and we can see the status now on our screens. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, Kenneth Nana Yaw Ofori-Atta, country of birth Ghana, status in ICE custody. And yes, states is it yes. Then the current detention facility, Caroline Detention Center, Ken Ofori-Atta remains in U.S. ICE custody after bail application fails. Now, also a buyer for some time, no. Now, people were talking about the fact that Papa no on Tiaponiade, and he also call for review.
Okay,
do you understand? But then review no, now ebimu chiremwa. You can be in your country and still be reviewed on. Do you understand? It doesn't necessarily mean you should maintain or you should still be in the country at a point. Now there were speculations that they are trying to go through a clinic so they can help him get out of a year detention. Okay. But then say hospital no show next review. Now could the immigration for some more lawyers and the mount. Do you understand? Until you can still be in Ghana. So also review now. You have to come back to Ghana, reapply, and go back. So visa is not a hospital that will help you to extend your stay in the United States of America. Do you understand? Until ultimately say any bail now no person common NJ and famano so that
so the bail was detention to the health condition. So
I'm trying to put it in contention, sir. At a time where you detaining, they were looking at the fact, sir. Obey no where we also call for reviews any other. So at that point, they were trying to use that. Said the baby bet me abuamana extending his stay. A US hodom. Do you understand? And in Chiremwa by hospital, no one way. Do you understand? So only immigration for Konya issue. The hospital cannot come in any way to help you. Do you understand? And see, Nina Kahobi and I'm a bail now, and no anti-me succeeding.
Okay, now to say, for all these months, and I say all these weeks, Ken Ofori-Atta is still in detention. I for no akachia, bail condition, or na join say, or call akwaje, and I say or copy bail application, nanka ye free a year, ice for detention center, whereas the case will still be ongoing, and I just say report I have nature say, young granting no sabe so he's still in the detention center. But that's why I will ensem and we take in someone and say he wanted the bill regarding say he's still not fit and all that, but the information I gather there na say court net na sem so chemu say whilst or what ice for ensemuno they are still able, and I say the health they are still able to take care of him. What I say and say man the bill be until the issue is done and sorted I be say be omuji asem ni wi a ye bona back to Ghana. And I say na some more than ye jai no US ne de enya de a obenya any bill condition bia ebiem. Now so far no ne lawyer set me about bonten abekasa about this issue or not.
So say the nyanya and TBM free the lawyers for, but then what is coming from the US immigration courts, US immigration judge David Gardy Nensemwa ye de born no somewhere November 2025 and his visa was revoked because can say because of new overstay see as some nanti detaining no so that's all court. So as we speak now, proceedings has been adjourned to April 2026.
So that means that he's going to be in the detention center till April.
Till April 2026.
Hey, Ofori-Atta.
And that is the update. I free the U.S. Immigration Court eba.
You can't so Ghana no, but yeah, I think we need you.
Oh, we all know that we and that is the current update. Free honum so eba.
I wish I said the former finance minister now papa. All explanation shows that or them afekwa ni ebera match until April and sa omobesa akọ hearing na etu sheda still obekwa akoda detention because ya mano bail ewo ensem no ehu. Now yemfree Ken Ofori-Atta ensem ne so na yen konsem foforo so a at this point a whole lot of issues na koso na with regards to the same Ken Ofori-Atta ensem no. How are Ghanaians taking the issue?
Well, also say as a issue na die down kakra. And yet Pinaxtv na the update we air back currently about any detention status. And any bail or mean say apply I am farmer no. Any the detention case na ankasa no. Detention case na ankasa no. Joining it to April 26th. And can I mean sure say people are actually talking about it. Apart from some NDC phobia, they feel disappointed with a oral for no and no any issue or more see a lot of people are talking about say say it has not been dealt with properly, especially Russia near semi by. A lot of people are talking about this. Won't me back Ken Ofori-Atta. Russia near Babona Juma or Ghana Hano or Muslim funded in Ababi Dinasem. Do you understand? Education Angasadi a died down kakra to some points, but as you see, some of these
people are not really talking.
People are not really talking about it. So that is what is currently going on now. The detention in there still now. The lawyers know they are trying their best. Say,
Ghanaians are happy about the arrest by the ICE.
Oh. Forget ebina okan ye say we odehye pa wo te Ghana nka wo da dan kama bi mu ni ade na wakopi obi man so na omu eyo say. Do you understand? Odwe ho a won ti ase say what will make you feel like you don't want to come? Oh we bia okan no oga say bia lawyers na etu ne fo obaga na ombe say people at a point now make us say people want to see the man in handcuffs. See a channel, yeah, the handcuff of goodness and no keke cra no I think say amount for don't know many budget, and that is the kind of torture I'm sure say the lawyers are trying to prevent to say a better or more clients no ewo. And see, I think say ni na aka ho, but then yeah, baby,
okay, but then per your own understanding and research, looking at how the case is going, will be a wet me file for bail condition. Say, Massa, say bail because you claim your health is failing and you need to go and check yourself and all that. Yes, what detention? Higher show. Entino near hell now crying do you think Ken Ofori-Atta has like a bright outcome from this whole case? The probability of he being sent back to Ghana, no? How do you see it?
You see, the reason why Amitimu said the government is very quiet about this, and they say the end of it all will be a deportation.
Okay.
Do you understand?
So
the end of it all. And yes, I be per immigration laws no, while violating BB or say they 2 more USD. Aside that, no, the end of it is going to be a deportation. That deportation is also there. Onza unya sikotoka won ha bas na mo de oba arrival ho no kra no unuru hompo and o machew. Do you understand? Until the end of it is going to be a deportation. But then I'm not doing some kind of a prejudice but then I'm hoping say be another lawyers net me aye bibi kakra afa ho. Do you understand? Because him said there is still an application be there. He's trying to get a permanent stay. I be move my tip off big kakra say through Neba he wants to gain a permanent stay in the US. And also so idea it is still ongoing. Say no succeed it will cancel any detention I detain no. There will be some kind of compensations between the former finance minister. So that is what is currently going on. So assembling in Abu Bonnet there, or more deported and be PM Ghana. Applications on the side or more apply the amount and also go through. That means that permanently he's going to gain he'll be able to live in the United States permanently. Ghana had by choice, no baby PM.
Quite unfortunate for Ken Ofori-Atta. Now,